Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to change the screen timeout on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So basically sometimes I am getting annoyed because I wake up my watch and they almost immediately go asleep again. And now I will show you how to change it. Click on this digital crown to open applications on your watch and click on settings. After this, scroll down until you will see this tab display and brightness. Scroll down until you will see this tab named Wake Duration. And right here you'd be able to see two options. On tab, wake for 15 seconds and wake for 70 seconds. But keep in mind that the wake for 70 seconds consumes more battery. But for me, it's more useful, so I don't mind it. I will choose it and the changes are saved. You can click on this digital crown to go on your watch face and now enjoy your new screen timeout. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.